Your back seat isn't just dirty, it's a biohazard. You've got pet hair, sand, and mystery crumbs from 2019. You need a vacuum that doesn't just promise power, it delivers. But which one? We bought the top 5 bestsellers and created the ultimate mess to test them: cereal, dirt, fur, you name it. The results were insane. One failed immediately, but one was an absolute superhero. All the links to buy the winners for the best price are in the description below. Let's see which vacuum deserves a spot in your trunk. Starting at number 1. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Best value. At the Spruce, we've tested a lot of Shark vacuum cleaners and can attest to the longevity and quality suction power this brand brings. This handheld, cordless pick is lightweight and super easy to maneuver. It also has a larger dustbin, so you don't have to empty it as often as some other models on the market. At $100, it may not be the cheapest on our list, but it'll last you forever, making it a great value. In the box, you get a scrubbing brush, crevice tool, and self-cleaning pet power brush. In our experience, the vacuum isn't great at removing pet hair. It struggles a bit, and the brush roller can't dislodge the hair that has been pushed into our car's floor carpet. That said, it can handle just about any other mess you task it with, and the short attachments can fit well in a small space, whether that's your cup holders or near your car's air vents. We also regularly see this vacuum go on sale, so it's possible that you can score it for less. Number 2. Worx Power Share Cube Vac. Best for pet hair. Out of all the handheld vacuums we've tested, this Worx one is the best at maneuvering and lifting our dog's stubborn hair off our fabric seats. It also comes with 3 attachments that can clean hard-to-reach corners. The 2 interchangeable attachments easily snap onto the 4-foot hose, that's also retractable. The ultra-thin crevice nozzle easily fits in any tight spaces, and the brush attachment is great for dusting air vents. After using it weekly for 6 months, it's become our go-to tool for cleaning around the house and in the car, as we've found with many of our favorite car vacuums, and there's ultimately not much we would change about it. The vacuum can be a bit loud, so maybe just plan to use it in an outdoor setting if you or someone in your home has sound sensitivities. Number 3. Fanttik Slim V10 Apex Car Vacuum. Best for tight areas. With its compact size and slim silhouette, the Fanttik Slim V10 Apex is perfect for removing debris and crumbs that have found their way into the tightest spots in your car, such as between the seat and the center console or around the seatbelt buckle. Now, a word of warning, this handheld cleaner comes with a good number of useful attachments and is great for removing loose debris and performing light cleanings, but it's not the best at lifting embedded pet hair or dirt from fabric. This car vacuum also has 2 modes, a low suction mode and a high one. We find the higher setting to be best for most cleanup jobs, and overall love how helpful and portable this handheld vacuum is. It's definitely not for heavy-duty jobs, but the attachments and suction level are helpful enough to vacuum in places we generally can't reach. We also love that this compact unit is quieter than most vacuum cleaners, which is great if you have any sound sensitivities or want to listen to your favorite tunes. The slimmer design makes it easy to store it, too, in a door pocket or even your center console. Number 4. Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum. Best heavy-duty. We've tested various Dyson vacuums at the Spruce, and the Dyson Car Plus Boat Vacuum is a heavy-duty handheld option with a suction strong enough to lift the embedded hair from our upholstery. Setting up the vacuum is a breeze. It even comes partially charged, and the best part is, thanks to its 40-minute run time, the longest in our guide, we haven't even had to recharge it. Outside of this vacuum being able to suction up big chunks of foam from our beanbag chair, crumbs, and human hair within seconds, what we love most about this Dyson vacuum is its mobility and 3 attachments that clean with precision. One of our favorites is its extra-long crevice tool. The long nozzle fits into tight crevices and lifts every little speck. It's perfect for car seat cushions and awkward angles, like around your seatbelt buckle. Now, the Dyson Car Plus Boat Vacuum is slightly heavier than most car vacuums, weighing 4.2 pounds, most weigh 3 pounds or less, but we're still able to clean our seat cushions and car floors with one hand without feeling any fatigue. The body of the vacuum is also on the wider side, but surprisingly, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Overall, Dyson never disappoints when it comes to its vacuum cleaners. The Dyson Car Plus Boat Vacuum has a gorgeous, futurist aesthetic, runs quieter than most, and cleans quickly with precision. Number 5. Black+decker V Dustbuster Flex. Best splurge. You can't talk about vacuums without talking about Dyson, and Dyson's latest vacuum is designed specifically with cars in mind. And boats, if you've got a boat. The Dyson Car Plus boat, 7 out of 10, Wired reviews, is compact, powerful, and very portable, making it a great choice if you're looking for focused cleaning. It's got fantastic battery life for a handheld vacuum, so it's great for bigger vehicles. It's also much cheaper than the rest of Dyson's lineup at $280. It often goes down to $200 on sale, though much more expensive than other options in this guide. If you really want a Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner, this one is our favorite. But if you're already spending a pretty penny for Dyson power, you might just want to get a Dyson stick vacuum that could double as a handheld. So, let me know your choice in the comments. If this video saved you from wasting your money on a weak vacuum, pay it forward by smashing that like button and sharing this with a friend whose car is a disaster zone. Subscribe and hit the bell for more no BS tests that save you time and cash. Next week, we're testing the best portable jump starters, and you won't believe which one we trust with our dead battery. Stay clean out there!